Hi friends, Victor Costa, Peace, Love, and Muscles. Hope you're doing well. Again, I repeatedly get questions about how long does it take to get in shape? And I know folks want from me, they want me to say it doesn't take long at all. And that's what I truly believe. It doesn't take long at all when you are committed or you are connected to your objective. But the truth is also that it could take forever. And you know this, you go to the gym and you see people who are in the same condition every day for a very long period of time who are trying to get in shape. Now, it really isn't about time, because you have also seen people experience a lot of success in different fields in a very, very short period of time. Yet we see other people toiling for many, many years at the same practice or activity, and they really don't get anywhere. And I want to tell you that in my experience, both in fitness and in life, it really had to do with the level of connectedness to a goal rather than how much time, you know? And I wrote a poem. You probably have heard it before. If you haven't, please enjoy it. If you have, then you might find another nuance in it, but here it goes. Forget time as it will pass, in pursuit of all that lasts. Time is meaningless and the reverse is true when your mission reveals the truth of you. It isn't how much time will pass or how much work to collect your due. The only thing that matters is clear. How truly connected are you? And what I mean by that is, how connected are you to your objective? Now, if you just casually want something, it may or may not show up. But for those people who really, really want something and are connected to their objective, it really means something to them. That generally is the fuel to keep people moving toward a specific objective. And I want to also share with you that a goal is extremely important. You know, there's a saying that if you don't know where you're going, any road will take you there. And my mantra is, if you know where you're going, just about every road will take you there, right? And so the connectedness to the objective means a hell of a lot more than push-pull, split versus full body, all this other stuff. The supplement that you may or may not get in the mail, that stuff doesn't matter as much as how connected are you to the objective? How soulful are you about your objective? How much are you going to devote to that objective? And how much can you actually see that goal? Rather than, I'm just going to try and see what happens. That's very different energy than, this is what I want and that's where I'm going. So that to me has been the defining factor, and it's not the time, because you see people achieving things in a very contracted period of time and you see other people taking much, much longer. So again, it isn't how much time will pass or how much even work to collect your due. The only thing that matters is clear. How truly connected are you? And think about that. How connected are you to your objective in anything? Because that is the secret. That is the missing ingredient in a lot of successes or failures, right? It's the connectedness, the level of connectedness. So keep that in mind. Peace, love, and muscles. I love you all. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like my work. Also, click in the description portion of this video. It will take you to my free audiobook and also my natural bodybuilding test, which I hope you would check out. And I love you all. Peace, love, and muscles. Please take care. Bye.